Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain copper vs aluminium full comparison. Pause the video and grab paper to jot strengths, weaknesses, and use cases as we proceed. I'll walk you through conductivity, weight, corrosion resistance, cost, and recyclability in clear terms. Expect practical examples for wiring, cookware, and heat sinks, along with quick decision rules. I keep it friendly and actionable so you can choose confidently. Stay tuned for comparisons. Let's dive into electrical properties and what they mean for real-world uses. Copper gives better conductivity per volume, while aluminium saves weight and cost per kilogram on longer runs. I'll explain skin effect, joint methods, and why terminals matter for reliability. You will learn how to pick wire gauge, address thermal expansion, and avoid common connection mistakes. The goal is clear, simple guidance so you can decide confidently for each application. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes chores easier and frees time for projects. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a handy shortcut between soldering and shopping. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we cover mechanical and thermal differences that affect applications from cookware to radiators. Copper is stiffer and heavier, giving durability in compact parts, while aluminium's lightness and thermal conductivity favor heat sinks and large panels. I'll compare thermal expansion, fastening methods, and how coatings change corrosion performance. Expect tangible examples for HVAC, electronics, and household uses so you can weigh trade-offs and choose the right metal for each job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.